Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Mahdi English School. This is the class of Standard 1. We are going to learn mathematics. Let's begin our day with a meaningful thought. Always end the day with a positive thought. No matter how hard things were. Tomorrow is a fresh opportunity to make it better. Now, get ready with your pencil, book. Sit properly. First of all, write today's date and day. Now, write the heading. MENTAL, mental. MATHS, maths. Mental, maths. We already have completed one part of mental maths. So, before we move on, let us make a quick revision for the previous part. A. Which two days together are sometimes called the weekend. Normally, a week is divided in two parts, weekdays and weekend. So, which are the 2 days which are called weekend? SATURDAY Saturday and SUNDAY Sunday. Saturday and Sunday are together called weekend. Number B. which has more value? One 50 paisa coin, or one 50 rupee note. If you are having both 50 paisa coin and 50 rupee note, compare it. Think which has more value? ₹50 note. 50 rupee note has more value. Number C. Whose picture is printed on all Indian currency notes? Now, if you are having any currency note, then observe it. See whose picture is printed on it. GANDHIJI, Gandhiji. On all Indian currency note, Gandhiji's picture is printed. D. Another word for the long hand of a clock is the dash hand. If you all remember, we already have done this in the form of fill in the blanks. The long hand of the clock is called dash hand. MINUTE, minute hand. Another word for the long hand of a clock is the minute hand, or the long hand of a clock is called minute hand. Number E. What is the time 1 hour before 11 o'clock? Think what will be the answer? What comes before 11? Yes, 10 o'clock. 1 hour before 11 o'clock, the time is 10 o'clock. Number F. Which day comes before Saturday? Which day comes before Saturday? The answer is Friday, Friday. Friday comes before Saturday. Number G. How many 25 paisa coins make a rupee? If you remember, we already have done this in the chapter of money. So tell me, how many coins of 25 paisa we need to make a rupee? 4 coins. 4 coins of 25 paisa make a rupee. My dear students, we have completed till here. Now you all have to write with me. Write number A. Six 63 minus 3 is equal to dash. Prepare an empty box. 63 minus 3 is equal to dash. I am waiting for some time. Find out the answer. Six 60. Those who have not completed, complete it. $63 minus 3, we get 60. Make sure that your handwritings must be good. Write the numbers properly. Leave one line and then write number B. $85 minus 0 is equal to dash. $85 minus 0. What comes there? What will be the answer? Try to remember the rules of subtraction. If we subtract 0 from any number, we get the same number as an answer. So, 85 minus 0, the answer will be 85 itself. Everyone, complete it in your book. $63 minus 3 is equal to 60. 85 minus 0, we get 85. Number C. 47 is equal to dash TENS, tens. Dash ONES, once. "47 is equal to dash tens and dash ones." First of all, everyone copy this properly. Till then, I am waiting. Those who have not completed A and B, complete it first and then write number C. If you have completed the question, then try to find out the answer. What will be the answer? If we want to separate number 4, 7, 47 in tens and ones, what will be the answer? Four tens, 7 ones. "47 is equal to 4 tens and 7 ones." Leave one line and then write number D. "99, 99. Minus 9 is equal to dash. "99 minus 9 is equal to dash." Again, I am waiting. So, you all can complete. Those who have completed, they can copy the answer in their book. If we subtract 9 from 99, we get 90. 99 minus 9 is equal to 90. Now, leave one line and then write number E. NUMBER, number. BEFORE, before. "60, 60 is dash." Number before 60 is dash. Now count a number 51 to 60. Which number comes just before 60? 5, 9, 59. Number before 60 is 59. Leave one line and then write number F. Three, 33. Plus dash is equal to 34. 33 plus dash is equal to 34. Now think what comes there. If we want the answer 34, which number should we add to the number 33? One. 33 plus 1 is equal to 34. So tell me, who remains to copy? Everyone has completed A to F. Leave one line and then write number G. Number. Number. After. After. 8080 is dash. Number G, number after 80 is dash. I'm waiting for you so that you all can copy it in your book. Leave some space between two words. Now tell me, which number comes just after 8080? Yes, there comes 8181. Leave one line and write number H. (7070) minus 5050 is equal to dash. Number H, 70 minus 50 is equal to dash. What will be the answer? What we get? 20. 70 minus 50 is equal to 20. Now I am going to repeat from A. 63 minus 3 is equal to 60. 85 minus 0 is equal to 85. 47 is equal to 4 tens and 7 ones. 99 minus 9 is equal to 90. Number before 60 is 59. 33 plus 1 is equal to 34. Number after 8080 is 8181. 70 minus 50 is equal to 20. I hope everyone has completed. My dear students, here we have completed second part of the activity or exercise of mental maths. In next lecture, we will continue with some other exercises. So, everyone make practice to learn and write tables every day. At your home, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.